Hello, today we're making the one Klong Klang. Klong means channel or canal, referencing the groove on the mold that is used to make them. We'll start by making a sweetened coconut milk with coconut milk, palm sugar, a little bit of salt, and a pandan leaf. Once sugar has dissolved and it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and set aside. For the Klong Klang, you need tapioca starch, rice flour, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. We'll mix the ingredients and slowly add in hot water and knead until the dough comes together. It should be soft and stretchy. To color them, add a couple drops of food coloring and knead that in. Pinch off a piece of dough to work with and cover the rest. Roll the dough into a log and then cut 1/4-inch pieces. Now you need a Krong Krang mold. I'm actually using a gnocchi mold. Press one of the small pieces with your thumb onto the mold and roll it down, and there you have it. To cook, add them to a pot of boiling water and let it cook for a few minutes until they are translucent. Serve with the sweetened coconut milk or as a component of nam wan. Enjoy! For this recipe more, visit craftcrumbs.com.